Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and why it matters. The Xbox 360 does not natively support most Bluetooth headsets, so you need a workaround. First, power on the console, then put your headset into pairing mode so it's discoverable. Next, prepare a Bluetooth transmitter or a PC that can bridge audio from Xbox to the headset. You do this because the transmitter will act as a translator for a 2DP audio. Once set, you can route game chat or audio through the bridge. Once done preparing, connect the transmitter to the Xbox audio output, optical, AV, or controller jack depending on your hardware, and supply power. If you use a PC as the bridge, plug the Xbox line out into the PC line-in and enable listen to this device or set up an audio routing app to forward sound to Bluetooth. Then pair the headset to the transmitter or PC, making sure a 2DP is active so game audio transfers, and test volume levels to avoid distortion. To finish, verify both game audio and chat are routing correctly. Adjust Xbox audio settings and the transmitter's volume to balance levels. If you hear nothing, repair the headset, inspect cables, and confirm the transmitter supports a 2DP and low latency operation. This is why profile support matters. If latency or dropouts persist, restart the console and transmitter, check for firmware updates, or switch to a wired headset as a fallback. This single troubleshooting step often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.